Hi everyone, this is Judy from pursuitoffunctionalhome.com, and today I am going to share to you some products that I use in my videos. And yeah, this is my first favorite video, and please bear with me. And just to start off, I am using Bobbi Brown Cream Foundation. This foundation is a bit pricey, but this is something for my face, so why not invest in a good foundation? And it's creamy, and it covers my skin very nicely, and it's not heavy on my skin. It's like there's a lot of powder in your face, so this is a good buy. So it's a bit pricey, but again, this it is something for your skin, so why not invest in a good foundation? Bobbi Brown Corrector. Here I have Trisha Ann behind the scene helping me out. So next is Bobbi Brown Corrector. So this is in peach. So I don't use corrector, but when I saw Bobbi Brown's tutorial, she uses corrector, and the result is very nice. It makes your skin look more flawless. So corrector first before concealer, so that's the good way to cover dark circles, especially me. I have very dark circle, under eye circles, so correct your dark circles first before putting your concealer. So it's a good buy, and again, it is a bit pricey, but it is a good product, so it's worth your money. Next is the eyeshadow from Maybelline. It's Hyper Diamonds. So I am using it right now, but for this look I am only using the highlighter, this one here. It's a pretty eyeshadow, and I think I bought this around $18. So I'm going to make another tutorial using this palette. Silky Girl Moisture Gloss. It's the one. My little girl likes to use this, and it looks pink, and yeah, because the color is eternal pink, it's very moisturizing on your lips, and I like this because I always have cracked lips. Most of the time, moisture gloss is for kids. Okay, it's a pretty color also. Next is the blush on. This blush on is from Fashion 21. So this is made in Taiwan, and I think this is about 120 plus pesos. Okay, so the color, so this is made in Taiwan but distributed in Philippines. So the colors are this one looks pink. It's in the coral shade, and this one is in pink shade, and I am using the pink shade right now here. So it's a good product, and also cheap product. If you're on a budget, you can try Fashion 21 products. And this blush on. This is Falsies Mascara from Maybelline. I love this Falsies Mascara. I have very scarce lashes, and this one really lengthened my lashes. And I love Maybelline mascara, and it's worth your money. Is the pencil 2-in-1 eyeliner from Silky Girl. This company is they're selling only in Singapore, Malaysia, and I think they are also opening in Brunei. And very nice products. Yeah, my little boy, my kids are at the background, so you can hear their voices. So this Silky Girl eyeliner is very nice. It's creamy, and it glides smoothly on my eyebrows. Well, if I use this for my eyebrows, I always use my eyebrow wand. So always soften the eyeliner on your eyebrows, please. Oh, this is one of the common mistakes of Filipina girls and ladies. Always soften your eyebrows. So it's nice, and if you want to open up your eyes a little bit more, you can use the white eyeliner. This is also nice. So I use this in, I think, in my everyday makeup look video. You can check it in my channel. Revlon Color Stay in Blackest Black. So this is in matte shade, which I think is good on my eyes. And this is a pen. This is very easy to apply in my eyes. So it's a must-have if you don't like the liquid eyeliner. I recommend this product, and also the Maybelline liquid eyeliner, liquid pen, not eyeliner, liquid pen is also good. Okay, this one is, did I miss? I think that's it. I think that's all. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I am putting some of the links to my videos up here. And yeah, let me know you're there by commenting below, and give me a thumbs up. And thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.